Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So sorry for not making any videos today so far.
Yeah, I was sleeping, not her fault.
We've been having a really lazy day, you know. Since morning we've been planning
So
and then
happy
we've been falling asleep.
you take the blame for me. I'm so happy.
No,
you
I'm not
take
taking the
fault.
blame. He's the one who's
You
been
said we
sleeping
have
mostly.
been lazy.
I was just being kind to you. You know, you're the one who's been sleeping the more. You've been sleeping more.
That's exactly what I was saying. I'm being lazy, but you said no, we are being lazy. So I thought I'd compliment you, but no.
That's your birthday.
Yeah.
One day of the year when you get your wish with me.
Can we have a birthday every day? Kind
No,
of?
not possible. You can't be born every
Well,
day.
a new hair was born next day. Maybe it's a new birthday.
Anyways, last
You're
night-
losing hair. See?
Dude, it's a V shape I have over
No, not
here.
this is the other side.
Fine, no more haircare
Yeah,
videos.
she's going bald, guys. Maybe
No
I'm
more
troubling you
haircare
too much.
videos.
Maybe that's why.
Yes,
you're
exactly.
bald.
See, now he's taking a blame. So we've not been doing much and we've just been lazing around. We had an amazing breakfast and then we went out to sleep.
Yeah,
And
if you
now-
call beans and toast breakfast because that's all you ended up eating.
I
So
love
they were
beans.
like 100 things on the menu, right? The breakfast buffet at a hotel, and all she ate was beans and toast.
That's because I love baked beans. You know, I don't get it at home because it's like you don't have it, and then I'm like, I'll make one
When
food
do
for
I
myself,
not have it?
and then
Who
another
said I
thing
don't
for
like
him.
beans?
You told me you don't like beans.
It's crazy, man. She doesn't know anything about me. We need to give her like a training session on Gaurav, maybe.
Okay, so we're now heading out somewhere. Oh, by the way, today we are going to be having the Hyderabadi biryani, vegetarian. We both know that that's not like real biryani, but
You know,
as
if it's
vegetarians-
vegetarian, it's pulao. It's not biryani.
No, it's biryani. We are having vegetarian biryani. Come on, go. On.
I was reading somewhere it's pulao if it's vegetarian.
It's very sad sometimes, you know, being a vegetarian, you kind of miss out on so many things.
Yeah,
And the non-veg eaters always make fun of you. They're like,
that's okay.
why do you even call it a biryani? Just like what he said right now. So we're going to be having veg Hyderabadi biryani today. Really excited about that. I've never had it before. You have had? You have had?
If I've had it
You
before.
have had? How was it for you?
I had to specially tell him not to make it spicy for me.
Oh.
I'll have to repeat that statement today. I'm not a
For
fan
both
of
of us.
spicy stuff.
Yup. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We are going out right now for some gaming thing. And
I'm so gonna
Yep.
beat you today. Wait and watch.
I'll just lose on purpose.
Game on. Yeah, I
Because
hate
it's
you,
your
man.
birthday.
She just took it away.
Because
It's
it's your
just so
birthday.
not cool.
I'll
You just took it away from me.
Dude, you have this shine on your face without using a highlighter. Do you know how much you take away
That's
from me?
because
He uses body lotion on his face. Can you believe
that
that?
works. See, works. Not a single pimple on my face. Pretty good. Never applied makeup on my face. Life is good.
Yeah,
I
you
take
get
care of
the shine.
myself
I'm
that
looking
way.
at this thing on the
Keep
camera
it
and this
natural.
light, it's looking
Keep
so-
it natural. That's important.
Okay, so yeah, that's all we wanted to share with you guys. Anything else you want to say? Or should we hang up?
Yeah.
Sorry about the shaky video, guys. Somebody commented that the videos are too shaky. Can't help it. I'm holding the camera for the last 3 minutes in my hand, so you can imagine. Yep.
Bye.
Bye.